the planet stickers, freebies. Say hello to my curly hair. There will be new stickers. That's just mean. Welcome to the mess that is my office. Why is it looking like this? Well, that's a good question. Well, I am trying to reorganize things around in the office, so I have all of this vinyl paper, like clear matte paper and wrapping paper, Christmas wrapping paper. And I need to find a place for them, and I think I have an idea. And here's the idea. Right next to the printers and the Cricut, I have this basket, and I think it's just perfect to storage all of the vinyl rolls. So the only problem is that the clear rolls that you just saw are too big for this. Like, I don't like that because I have a lot of them, and if I just put all of them on top of the other ones, I will not see the other ones, and it will also look like a mess. So the plan is to cut them, cut like this much of each roll, and then just organize them there. In the meantime, let me show you the other things that I've been changing around. My aunt got me this paper or file organizer, and I will be using it to organize all of the extra scraps of vinyl. So all of the extra vinyl will go here, and yeah. Then I also bought these white boxes from Walmart, and they were super cheap. I think they were like $1 or something, and yeah, you can just stack them up. I am putting here all of the camera equipment things and chargers and all that jazz, and the other ones are still empty, but I don't think I will be leaving them there because it's like on the table and it looks like a lot. So I need to find a better place to put these boxes, but I don't know where. Also, I bought this organizer. I don't remember if I already showed you guys this, but it's just like a plastic box, and it has some dividers. And here is where I'll be storaging all of the small notepads. Here's my organizing or packaging box. So I have logo stickers, and I also have freebies. Just in case you guys are ordering from me just because of the BTS things, you guys can get one of this for free, and I think it shows a little bit more about the shop. Like, I don't only do BTS things, I actually enjoy a lot more doing this colorful designs. So yeah, that's just something for free. Here I have the bear stickers. I also like to give them away as freebies. I don't know if you guys recognize this design, but this is the keychain design, just in a bit of a different color thing going on. And on the other part, I have little washi tape stickers. And on this one, I have little washi tape stickers. I love this design. Now on the bottom, I have a drawer that's just for BTS stickers. So if you guys are ordering BTS merch, like specifically BTS things, I usually throw a couple of these on your package as freebies, because I mean, if you already like BTS, this is for you. So I usually give 1 or 2 of this and then 1 of the bears, just so you guys have a little bit of everything. Now here I have the new packaging seals. Very cool. And here I have the only keychains that I have available at the moment. So if you still want one of this is all that I have, 5. So you can go get yours, the link is in my bio. Over here I have all of the single stickers. So on this side I have all of the holographic stickers. I have the BTS holding hands design. I also have the BTS looking at the crowd, like the armies with the army bombs. I love this one. And I also have the planet stickers. And this one is not holographic, but I have them here because these ones are a clear design. So let me show you a photo, just like this. So they're clear. So they're like, they have an extra special thing. And yeah, that's the first side. And the other side is this side, which has just the regular single stickers. All of these stickers are perfect for cars, for example. They will resist anything. And I mean like water, scratches, sunlight, like everyday sunlight. Here I have the black and white rose, very simple. I also have the BTS silhouettes. I've had this design since I first opened the shop, and I feel like I've sold so many of these and there are still a lot left. I also have the 90s sticker, 90s kid, and the newest, which is the Olivia Rodrigo like album cover sticker. And there are still 3 lines that I need to fill because there will be new stickers coming soon. And they will be very different, like very my style and very much like the style of the shop. So very colorful, and I already know you guys are going to love them. So I am very excited about it. And here are the shelves, organizers, whatever, that I've been having since I opened the shop. And yeah, I have all of the tapes and the, how do you call this? Like the sealing stickers for the envelopes. And right here I have a couple of regular black frames. Why? Because there's another thing that I do, which is like make silhouettes of people, like custom portraits, and I use this to put the vinyl on top of the frame. So let me show you how it looks. And it's like this. This is for a very special order. It was very big, but it's like for a wedding, so it was very fun to do this. And yeah, that's why I always have little frames around. And that's all I am going to show you, because the rest is just a mess. So that's what I need to be organizing. Hello, say hello to my curly hair. It's looking crazy, but I noticed I haven't even shown my face, not even once, in this week's vlog. So just to finish the week off, here's my face. Yeah, right now I am doing something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. If you have a small business and want to sell through Instagram and Facebook business things, you know how difficult it is to set up your account, and it's like a whole mess. I've been trying to do that for a long time. And the problem in my case is that my store is not my own domain, because my shop is on Etsy, so it will end with etsy.com, and that is a problem for Facebook. I've been struggling with that for a long time, but finally I was able to make it work. I looked for a lot of different articles, videos, and nothing seemed to work. Then somebody on Instagram, which is another small business account, and she makes stickers. I've bought from her stickers before. I noticed she was being able to sell on Instagram, so that's when I knew it was possible to do that. And I asked her, just hoping she will maybe guide me. It's totally cool if she didn't. I know a lot of businesses out there try to keep those things private. Yeah, because of course it's their effort. They did their research. That takes a lot of time. So you shouldn't just be like, oh, I want to know how to do that, so I will ask somebody that made a lot of effort to find the answer, so I don't have to do the research. That's just mean. In my case, I actually did a lot of research and still didn't find anything that was working for me. So I told her that, and she understood, and she actually sent me a couple of other articles that I haven't read, and I tried what's said on the articles and on the videos and everything. So now I am working on uploading all of my products, like the listings on Etsy. So yeah, I have a bunch of products. I am not uploading all of the products. I am just uploading the ones from the 2 past shop updates, like the June and the July shop update, and also my single stickers, which I actually took a lot of new photos and I am planning on posting them soon. So those I will be posting on the Facebook list catalog. And yeah, I already tried tagging products on my photos and it works, but I haven't made the Facebook shop public. So I will be uploading all of the products today, and then I will make the shop public, like the Facebook one. And hopefully then you guys will be able to see the products just on my Instagram. Like if you go to my Instagram feed, you will see the shop icon, and there you can easily see all of the products and the prices, so you guys know. But yeah, that's what I've been doing today. It's very early in the morning. It's 9. It's not that early, but it's in the morning. I am drinking my tea. I have been drinking a lot of tea lately because I just want to make good tea. I don't like tea. Usually I am more of a coffee person, but I've been noticing then that when I am working, not on the business but on my other job that's like on the computer, if I drink coffee I will be very hyper and just electric. which is good because I have a lot of energy. But on this job I actually need to focus a lot, and when I am drinking coffee, I have a lot of energy, but it's so much energy that I actually can't focus on anything. Like, my mind is going 1,000 miles per hour, and I just keep having ideas and ideas and ideas and ideas of things I want to do for the business or for the house or decor or fashion, or things I want to buy for myself or for my husband. I keep having a million ideas, and I just can't actually focus on the job. So I've been trying to use tea in the mornings for working, and it has been helping me a lot. It gives me a lot of energy, but I can actually focus. So a lot of boring things, nothing very exciting. My shop update is very far away, so I haven't been making a lot of designs lately either. So, you know, just a slow week.